7 foods that contain almost 0 calories. A healthy diet should contain calorie-dense foods, as well as those that are lower in calories. For example, foods high in healthy fats, such as eggs, nuts, seeds, and avocados, are much higher in calories than foods like fruits and vegetables, but still very nutritious. Do you need food that really contains almost 0 calories? In this video, we will tell you best foods that are very low in calories. Swapping out some high-calorie foods with lower-calorie foods can help promote healthy weight loss and may improve other aspects of health as well. If you normally have eggs in a donut every morning, for example, replacing the donut with an apple or some sautéed vegetables not only reduces the calorie content, but also packs in many more nutrients and protective plant compounds. Here are 7 foods that are very low in calories. Number 1. Asparagus. Asparagus is a flowering vegetable that comes in green, white, and purple varieties. All types of asparagus are healthy and contain a variety of vitamins and minerals, as well as antioxidant and anti-inflammatory plant compounds. Studies show that asparagus contain phenolic compound like flavonoids, as well as sulfur-containing compound like asparagusic acid. A cup of cooked asparagus has only 38 calories and is rich in vitamin K and folate, providing 67% and 21% of the daily values. Number 2. Apples. Apples are highly nutritious and one of the most popular fruits in the United States. 1 cup, 109 grams, of apple slices provides 62 calories, and almost 3 grams of dietary fiber. Apples are not only low in calories but also a good source of nutrients, such as fiber, vitamin C, and potassium, as well as antioxidant compounds like the flavonoid quercetin. Number 3. Broccoli. Broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable that's incredibly nutritious. Studies show that people who consume high amounts of cruciferous vegetables, like broccoli, may be at a lower risk of developing conditions, like heart disease and certain cancers. A cup of cooked broccoli has only 54 calories, and over 100% of the amount of vitamin C that most people need per day. Number 4. Carrots. Carrots are slightly sweet, crunchy, and highly nutritious. Even though orange varieties are most popular, carrots come in an array of colors, ranging from white to purple. Carrots are rich in compounds called carotenoids, including lutein and beta-carotene, which are important for healthy vision, immune function, and more. Some carotenoids, including beta-carotene, are converted into the active form of vitamin A in the body. A 1-cup serving of sliced carrots has only 50 calories, and over 100% of the DV for vitamin A. Number 5. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is typically seen as a white head inside green leaves. Less common varieties have purple, orange, and yellow heads. In recent years, cauliflower has become very popular as a substitute for higher carb vegetables or grains. For example, cauliflower rice and cauliflower pizza crusts are popular among those on lower carb diets. A cup of cooked cauliflower provides 40 calories and only 8 grams of carbs. Number 6. Celery. Because of its high water content, celery is very low in calories. Try pairing celery sticks with natural peanut butter and a sprinkling of raisins for a classic snacking combination that provides a filling mix of protein, fat, and fiber. There are only 17 calories in 1 cup of celery. Number 7. Cucumbers. Cucumbers are a refreshing vegetable commonly found in salads. They're also used to flavor water along with fruits and herbs, and they can make a low-calorie base for high-protein dishes like chicken or tuna salad. Since cucumbers are mostly water, they're very low in calories. A half cup has only 8. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.